start in 5 seconds from now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, in.
God kväll. Ja, USAs regering hotade Sverige.
Prioritera vissa frågor. Då styr.
Tänk på avståndet mellan vagn och plattform när du stiger av. Nacka och Värmdö. Nacka och Värmdö. Nacka och Värmdö. Nacka och Värmdö.
If you insist on living a dream, you may be taken for mad.
I like my dream.
Then you are mad.
Dreaming, I'm always dreaming. Just a dream, just a dream, just a dream. Dream, 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 dream a little dream of me. Sweet dreams are made of these.
Daydream, I fell asleep amid the flowers.
California, California, dreaming on such a winter's day.
people were outraged by Bifana's squishy death. Overnight, the PDB was created. People for the Defense of Bifana.
If you are not with Bifana, you are against us.
The PDB gained worldwide support. Pro-Bifana rallies were held all around the globe. In a few months, the world was divided into two groups. Those for Bifana, and those who just didn't give a fuck. Which upsets the Bifana lovers tremendously. They consider the dog to be a royal breed, and call her the queen of humanity. Anyone who does not agree, or does not care is considered a threat. Things start getting out of hand. Tensions flare. As a last-ditch effort to avoid a war, a meeting is held in Belgium between the normal people and the Bifana fanatics, who now call themselves the Royalists.
Catholics, liberals, and partisans who make up the Royalist group try to enter the meeting place, and the riot really flares. Fists, clubs, canes, anything goes in the free-for-all. After the meeting, other riots occur. Fortunately, this isn't blood.
The Belgian battle, as it will later be called, will be the start of a bloody, international, civil war. Thousands died in the fighting, while hundreds are killed or injured in their attempt to flee their city. Luckily, television saved the world once more, by bringing hope with a product that could make you forget all your Bifana problems and take you to a wonderful world.
There's a wonderful world of softness, a wonderful world of freshness. It's the wonderful, wonderful, wonderful world of Salem cigarettes.
Salem gives you a modern filter, plus rich tobacco taste, smoothed with menthol, softened with fresh air.
And that breath of fresh air put a smile on everyone's face. Television and the tobacco company saved countless lives with their brilliant marketing tactics. Never forget.
You're a wicked man.
Wicked?
You have no value.
Different values.
You won't be helped.
Destroyed.
You want to spoil things.
I won't be a goldfish in a bowl.